All right, what up, YouTube? It is Wednesday, so let's go ahead and kick it for another episode here. I hope that you guys are actually doing pretty good for trading this week. It's kind of finicky, and a lot of consolidation in some of the pairs. I'll go over that in my video here. Talk a little bit about what's going on for this week and what I'm expecting for the outcome at the end of February here. And yeah, let's hop into funding talent. I know I had some people. I'm going to update as much as I can on funding talent for those that missed out. Like I said, they do plan on raising these prices. I don't know when. People were asking if I knew anything about the price increase yet, and I said I don't know. So, but based on the email that I was reading again, they do plan on increasing the prices for the challenges, and they want to stay in a competitive market. So, for those of you that are missing out, right, and that really want to try this out, go ahead and take a look at this and see if this is the right fit for you. Like I said, talked a lot about this. I already talked a lot about the prop firm, what they've done so far, and what they plan on doing and updating as well at the same time. So they're doing a lot of stuff on behind the scenes. I can't even keep up with them either. Like I said, as soon as you sign up, you start trading. There's no challenge. So that's the beauty of it. Like I said, there is a monthly service fee for this. Uh, Me personally, I would go with the aggressive account, not the classic account. So what you're looking at right now, this is the classic account here. If you want to go to the aggressive, go to the tab here and click funding talent aggressive. And then on here, you can see the differences, right? Always read the difference first before you make this decision. And I already explained why I chose the aggressive account on my previous video with funding talent. So you can go back into my YouTube channel and watch that. Personally, I would not do the classic. That's just my personal preference there. But let's go ahead. I'll give you guys just a quick analysis from what I'm looking at right now. Not on a 15-minute time frame though. If you're on the 15-minute time frame, I would just be basically looking at it for scalping. Let's talk about the 4 hour though. US dollar is actually going up today, but you can see that there's just a lot of consolidation structure going on and not a whole lot of. I don't really see a trend really for this week. There hasn't really been a trend at all. And I know we're in the midweek of this week, which is Wednesday. Let's see what's up with US 30. US 30 is still, I don't know what's up with this pair either. This pair is still it's just ranging from 31,000 yeah, 31,200 all the way back to 31,700. I don't know. This thing's just been ranging here for quite some time. You can see how long it's been ranging at this price range here for a while, especially for the month of February. So yeah, this past 2 weeks is just here. It's just a hit or miss. It's just a lot. I would not try and find a direction here. Mostly, you just got to scalp this pair. Gold went back down. This thing went back down pretty good. Overall, gold is still downtrending. So you can see this. Looks like it wants to create support here at 1790. Wants to come back up to 1800, or probably retest 1813. The way I'm looking at it. UJ is going up pretty good. I wouldn't be surprised. Like if we were to look at the higher time frame, you can see that this is the first support right at like 102, and then this is the next one, and I'm expecting a massive move coming back to 108 or probably 110 the way this is going. And if it does that, it'll break the structure here. Pretty interesting to see. The pound is finally going down, but not a lot. If it retraced, I want to say retraced a little bit before during London sessions. It hit 142, and that's pretty crazy how high it shot up. Same thing with Euro GBP. Euro GBP went back down pretty hard when the pound to the dollar went up a lot. And then you can see that Euro GBP, Euro British pound here is going back down. So I would not justify on trying to look at a reversal point until the pound actually reverses from this price again at 142. Looks like it wants to retest 142 again. So I would be careful when the pound actually does shoot itself back up. Euro's going back down. Yep, then U Swiss has broken a new high. This is crazy. I usually this pair doesn't really do anything. So to actually see this pair to actually make a massive move, it's pretty crazy. This is pretty strong right now for U Swiss. And just by looking at the daily, it's already broken that first resistance. The next one is this one. What is it? 98.33. But overall, it hasn't dropped at all. It's still going. And this is probably a pretty good reversal right here for USD Swiss. Let me look at the monthly. Yeah. Pretty strong. Look at this. You can see how strong this monthly candle is. Pretty strong bull move there. I'll tell you right now. Um so USD CAD. I don't know. USD CAD has just been going down and it's still going down. This thing has been down ever since it hit a high of, I'm trying to see. I think it hit like 140 something. And for some reason, yeah, for some reason, what the heck's going on here? Yeah, it hit a high of 147 and it's down to 125 right now. This is pretty crazy. I'm actually expecting some kind of reversal, but not right now. Same thing with Australia and New Zealand. They've been up for a lot already. They've been up since I want to say 2020. Yeah. They've been up since March of 2020, and we're approaching March again. And this is on the day. You can see that it's creating another doji candle here. Same thing with New Zealand, but New Zealand was really strong from last night from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand with their interest rate decision. And so New Zealand's a lot stronger than Australia, but I'm looking for them to reverse back down sometime next month, if not at the end of tax season. Same thing for UCAD as well. So pretty interesting to see where these three pairs are headed. And yeah, and then following that, I'm looking to see if this is gonna be a pretty strong reversal price point for the pound at 142. You can see how long this wick is on the daily here. And this is pretty strong indicator for me on a candlestick for it to sell all the way back down. And I would probably target 139. This was the move that started back up to 142. Breaks 139. I would target all the way back down to 136 and 135 to break this structure here. So yeah, got my eyes on that, and then also I got my eyes on US 30 winning. Whenever US 30 actually makes that decision to come down, so a lot of things that I am preparing for the big short. So five pairs, right? US 30, the pound, uh, um, Australia, Australia, New Zealand, and then USD CAD. Those are the five pairs are at the lowest point. No, no, okay, no, okay. I'm gonna go back. Okay, those are the five pairs I'm paying attention to the most because USD CAD is at the lowest point of the price structure. Okay, um, US 30 is at a very high critical point of price already, right? It's been up since 2009. Two, the pound. The pound is driven itself all the way from the very low price. If you look at the very lowest price on the pound when it went down like a dollar 14, and now it's at and it hit peak and it peaked at a dollar 42. It's crazy, right? So that's a really big increase in value over time. And I'm expecting for a reversal for the pound. I'm expecting reversal going down for Australia and New Zealand because Australia and New Zealand's been up for almost a whole year now. And so it's just a matter of time. Like I said, for me personally, I wouldn't hold a swing for any of these pairs because they're coming to a momentum where they're going to lose momentum and end up reversing. And I'm not talking about U Swiss because U Swiss is already up. I'm not talking about gold because gold is already jacking itself back down from 2000. I'm not talking about USD because if you didn't buy USD at 102, it's already at 105. So you already missed out on the long term, right? And I'm not talking about the US dollar. US dollar has just been in the same consolidation price. So other than that, that's it, guys. I will make another video tomorrow. And like I said, check out Funding Talent. I'm gonna keep promoting them. I'm gonna strive my best to work my way through with these guys. And like I said, I will answer my questions as much as I can with you guys. For those that have questions for FTM, no, for Funding Talent, not FTMO. But like I said, it's if you want to do it before they jack up the prices, when they do jack up the prices, I don't know when. And so when they do, hopefully they let me know. I've been talking with the director for the past week now, so I'm gonna see if I can get some kind of insight. Yeah, I know it's their operations; they're not supposed to tell me, but I'll go see what they want. I'll go see what if they give me some updated features or something. You know what I'm saying? So keep you guys in the loophole here. All right.